From the great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, from the queen of floating mountains to the South Bell's mighty shore. She's mighty tall and handsome, she's the long quite of all. She's the combination on the Wabash Cannonball. She came down to Birmingham one cold December day. As she rolled into the station, you can hear all the people say, there's a gal from Tennessee, she's long and she's tall. She came down from Birmingham on the Wabash Cannonball. Our eastern states are dandy, so all the people say. From New York to St. Louis and Chicago, by the way. From the hills of Minnesota where the rippling waters fall, no chances can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. So here's the Daddy Claxton, may his name forever stand, and always be remembered in the court throughout the land. It's heard the race is over, the curtains round him fall. They'll carry him home to victory on the Wabash Cannonball. So listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she climbs from the woodland to the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo's call. They're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash